Richland County now, the trial continued today on a case of a 2019 boat crash that left one man dead and several others severely hurt. News 19's Rachel Ripp has an update on today's court proceedings.
The case of the state versus Tracy Gordon moved forward Thursday with testimony from Department of Natural Resources officers as well as Gordon's wife. The morning started with more testimony from Lance Corporal Marion Baker with SCDNR, who provided information on field sobriety tests administered on Gordon.
Totality of circumstances determined that his faculties were materially and appreciably impaired. He was under influence at that time.
Lance Corporal Stephen Bryant with SCDNR testified that Gordon's breath and body smelled of alcohol the night of the accident when Bryant arrested him. The defense countering that even though a cooler full of 9 natural light beers, Yeti cups, and waters were found on the boat, none of the beer cans were empty.
In this cooler, there were no empty beer cans, right?
Not that I remember.
Not a single one. And nothing was taken off this boat. Okay.
Witnesses B.N. Trotter with the State Highway Patrol and Susan Marvin with the FBI testified about the red and green lights on the pontoon boat that was hit, both saying their findings were inconclusive about whether or not these lights were on when the crash occurred. Lastly, we heard from the defendant's wife, Angie Gordon, about the night of the crash, saying her husband was standing driving the boat and she was sitting. She says on the other boat, Morgan Kaiser was yelling.
I was hysterical crying on our boat because I didn't actually know what happened. And then I could hear her just screaming and screaming and saying at the end like her dad was dead, so it like terrified me.
The defendant's wife testified that right after the collision, her husband got on his phone and asked if anyone had called 911. She testified that a woman said she was on the phone with them. Stan Kaiser was killed in the crash. Reporting in Richland County, Rachel Ripp, News 19 WLTX.
And court will resume again tomorrow morning at 9:45.